Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is online and charged, then open the Play Store and tap the account sign-in prompt. When you see the password field, choose Forgot Password to begin account recovery. Enter your full Google account email and follow prompts to receive a verification code via your recovery email or phone. This step proves ownership and prevents lockout. Once you receive the code, enter it immediately to move to the next stage of resetting your password. Once you've provided the verification code, Google may ask additional identity checks such as two-step verification prompts or security questions. Complete these as instructed. If prompted, approve the sign-in on another trusted device or use your backup codes. Then create a new, unique password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reused passwords. After changing it, update the password on this device when prompted so Play Store reconnects. Make sure to save your recovery options for future use. After resetting the password, return to the Play Store and sign in with your new credentials. Allow the app to sync. Next, visit your Google account security settings and sign out of other devices you don't recognize and update any saved passwords in password managers. If the Play Store still rejects the password, clear the Play Store cache or reboot the device, then try signing in again. If problems persist, use account recovery from a different trusted device or contact Google support through your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.